Don't they look incredible? Welcome to today's video. We're making keto cookies today. And I think you guys are going to love them. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get the ingredients out and let's just get started. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is preheat my oven and I'm going to put it at, wait, what does it say? 355. Okay, I knew it wasn't 350, but I was like, what is it then? Okay, so I actually got this from fatforweightloss.com and I will leave this link down below, of course, but I have the printed recipe right here and I have tried out so many different kinds of recipes and I even tried just kind of making it on my own without any help from another recipe. But I'm kind of new to this keto cooking world, so I definitely needed some help. And after trying so many recipes, this one I found is my favorite, and I think you guys are going to love it. Like, love it. Now she uses
What?
a different sugar, and she uses a different amount of sugar, but I found that this amount and this type of sugar just works better for my taste buds. But hey, that's just me. All right, so I'm gonna take. So I'm going to take 2 cups of this Swerve brown sugar, and I will put all the links to these keto ingredients below. So I'm going to take 2 cups of this. Alright. I mean, not 2 cups. 2 1/4 cups, which is like half a cup. Okay. And then I'm going to take about a tablespoon of this just regular granular, not regular sugar, but granular Swerve sugar, which is natural like sugar made from, I think it's made from plants. Anyways, yes, okay. I do that because for me, it's just a little bit stronger on the aftertaste of it is a little bit stronger with the white granular sugar. So this is why I do it this way. And then I'm going to add in my butter along with this sugar. But I'm going to soften it first because it hasn't been sitting out. But I'm going to go and soften it just about 10 seconds in the microwave. Okay, and then I'm going to give this a good mix. Alright, I'm going to leave you guys in this view right now so you can kind of get a good look at what this mixture looks like. I'm going to add in the egg and vanilla. And I definitely need to get some more vanilla. Now I'm going to add in the almond flour. What I love about this recipe is it's so easy. It's all in one bowl. Okay, and then a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add in some exilum. I don't know how to say that, gum. It's just kind of like a baking powder. It's kind of like the baking powder, I believe, in the keto world. And we're just going to add in a ½ teaspoon of that. He says on there it is optional, so that is up to you. Then I'm just going to add in some baking powder. And give it Another good mix. And I'm actually going to switch over to a spoon right now, just because it would be easier to really combine everything than that whisk. I'm going to get a cutting board out and then a knife. I believe she recommends about 95% chocolate, the Lindt brand. I think there's also, what's the other one? I'll put that here somewhere, the one I'm thinking about. But I couldn't find that in my store, so I did end up getting the Lindt. Let's see, there we go. Excellent. And I got the 85% just because I was a little hesitant because I do like my semi-sweet chocolate, I have to admit. But the dark chocolate and then this Swerve, this is kind of like, it's not regular sugar, and so it kind of balances with the dark chocolate in a way that I really like. Okay, I'm going to put this in now. I add this. I think maybe she says it's optional to put in, but in my regular cookies, this is what I put in. So this is what I'm going to do now. I love walnuts, and I don't know. I don't really measure with this type of stuff. Whatever kind of looks good to you. I just feel like it adds so much to the cookie. It adds so much crunch, and I have to have chocolate chips in my cookies. I just do. That's when my mom did it. I have to. So that looks good to me. What do you guys think? I'm going to add them right in. Put that over there, and it's time to mix. This is what my dough looks like. It's super easy and simple, and it looks just like any other cookie dough that you would be making. All right, now all I'm going to do is get the pan out. She says this cookie mix bakes about 12 cookies, but for me, it makes way, way more than that. So I'll just show you guys. And I'm just going to use my hands because they are the best tool in the kitchen. So now that these are set and ready to go, and they are a little close, I normally wouldn't put cookie dough this close, but the type of cookie mix this is, the ingredients are not going to make them spread as much as regular cookie dough. So you can put them closer. Actually, I recommend halfway through the cooking time just to press them down a little bit, and I think the author of this recipe recommends the same thing. But they come out beautifully and so delicious. So I'm gonna pop them in the oven right now. As you can see, I just put 10 cookies right in there, and I still have some left. I think maybe she made them really, really big. I'm not really sure, but I want to tell you guys that just in case you were wondering. Bake for 10 minutes at 355. So they bake really, really quickly. Like I said, around 5 minutes. Just make sure to squash them down a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Super easy. So actually, I'm going to put it on a timer for 10 minutes and make that my timer to clean, because I definitely need to clean because I did make a little bit of a mess. And bam, they're out. I'm so excited for you guys to try these because I put them on my Instagram stories and you guys are raving and raving about them.
Ooh la la.
Well, not like because you made them. Oh my goodness. let me restart this. I'm so excited for you guys to try these because you guys told me that you want them, you want the recipe, you want to know how to make them. So voila, here you go. I cannot wait for you guys to try them. I'm so excited to hear the reviews, to hear everything. And I know that some of you might not have the ingredients, but I think if you're really trying to do this keto thing, or even if you're not, I'm not always trying to do keto per se, but maybe just low carb. I really like to just try to keep it low carb most of the time. There's a lot more to keto. It's not just being low carb, but like high fat and high protein and things like that. So these are keto cookies. That's why I'm calling them keto chocolate chip cookies. But I want to make sure that you know that just for eating a healthy alternative that are equally as good. Because I'm telling you guys, yum. Okay, but let's be honest, I think it's really important to note that even though this looks very nice, it's very, very important after 2 minutes of letting them sit on the tray just to cool off a little bit, kind of gain their stability, gain their legs, you really need to put them in a Tupperware container so they don't get hard on you. And voila! Don't they look incredible? I mean, come on, don't they look amazing? Okay guys, that is today's video. These are delicious. I really, really hope you try them out. And make sure you put a lid on this. That's what I'm gonna do in about 3 seconds. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, share, comment down below if you made these. I would love to know and love to know what you think. And make sure you go show some love to the creator of this recipe. I'll link some of my favorite videos of mine down below. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.